Welcome to Tech Lady Tiffany, your channel for all things Google. Today's tutorial covers the XLookup formula for cross-referencing data. The purpose of the XLookup formula is to let you use a search key in one spreadsheet and reference that same specific set of data in a separate sheet to cross-reference your data. So in this spreadsheet, I have a table that has a student ID number, last name, first name, grade, and birth date. I want to know which of these kids within my school are rostered in a music class of either band or chorus. So I have a separate sheet over here that is my roster of just kids taking band or chorus that includes their student ID, last name, and first name. So I want to take my roster of all my students and I want to say, go look in that second sheet for this student ID number and tell me if they're taking band or chorus. So that's how we're going to set this up. So we're going to say equals XLookup. And then it wants to know, what am I searching for? What is my search key? It could be any of these things that I have listed. I'm going to use the student ID number. That's the safest way to search student data when you're cross-referencing. It's a way for you to have a spreadsheet, but then also pull information from Infinite Campus and be able to reference those things together. Okay? Then it wants to know, where am I looking in the second sheet for this information? So the good thing about XLookup versus YLookup, the YLookup formula, when you're looking in a second sheet, the YLookup, your search key, has to always be in column A. In an XLookup, I can choose any single column to contain the student ID number. It just happens to be in column A. And then it wants to know, okay, after I find that student ID number, which column of data for that row do you want me to return? And I want it to return column D to tell me if they're in a music class, band, or chorus. And then the last thing is optional. You can always just close the parentheses here, but it wants to know, well, if I don't find it, what do you want me to put there? And I'm just going to have it be blank. So I'm going to put quotations to tell it I just want it to be blank, and I'm going to hit enter. All right, so right now you're going to notice that this is blank, but it's not giving me an error. So that tells me that Madison Adams, her student ID number, was not found in that roster. So my quick little trick to fill a formula down is to double click this little circle here. And now I have filled in which of the students in my school have band or chorus on the schedule, that they're rostered for band or chorus.